Heavy fire! They're pulling back! Go! We're moving! Clearing the buildings! Give me an update! We're in the alley! Keep them busy! Assholes at ground level! Can't get a visual! We're caught in the smoke! Engaging thermal! Hold position! Can't see shit, Phoenix! Get him! Wait for my go! Taking fire! Smoke is clear! Cleaning up the street! Get out of there! Moving! We're pinned at the corner! It's open season! I've got you! Advance down the street as soon as you can! Alright, we're moving! Area cleared. Good to go.
But wait, if Gilman and the WLA are one and the same, who were you fighting against?
They were pitting their forces against each other. Rue, Gilman guys on the ground floor have no clue about the World Liberation Army. I didn't know. Fuck, you're above me and you didn't know.
I don't see the point. Why not just go in and take their weapons?
They needed a smokescreen. Rue, the only reason Gilman knew about the weapons was because they were hired to help secure and transport them. Another Gilman squad was moving in, acting on orders to do just that amidst the so-called terrorist attack. Operation Strike Zone was in place at the end of the attack, but Bull's mission was to get to the weapons first and eliminate all opposition.
Including the World Liberation Army soldiers and the other Gilman operatives. Bastards!
Monarch, this is Strike 3 Sky, requesting permission to engage. Off Strike 3 Sky, permission granted. Clear the area. Over. Roger that. Surface fight. Clearing the top. Area cleared. Over. That's like the LZ. We got enemy contacts in the bell tower. I'm on it.
come on, hurry up!
Monarch, transfer is complete. Package secure. Transport Sky, bring the cargo to Zone Zeta. Strike 2, clear the area and prepare for extraction. Phoenix, get on it! Stay with me! Area clear. Stand ready for pickup. Get over here! I need help! Phoenix, move!
I got you.
Request denied. The package needs to be fully removed from the area before we call off Operation Strike Zone. Recoordinating extraction. You'll be extracting my corpse, goddammit! Await further orders. Over.